Don't filter data like a noob. Instead, do this. Click on the range and create a table with Control-T. Click Insert Slicer. Choose Region. Go to the tab and change the columns to 4. Adjust the box, and that's it. You can now filter by clicking any region. Did you know this hack? Stop showcasing bars like this. Instead, do this. Type repeat and choose the pipe symbol. Select the percentage and multiply it by 100. Go on Font and search Playbill. That's it. Did you know this hack? My boss was counting our items in the inventory like this. Instead, do this. Type unique and select the range with the items. Now let's count the items. Use Count If. Select the range and select the item as criteria. That's it. Did you know this hack?